I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by turning on Wi-Fi calling in your phone now. Open the Phone or Settings app and enable Wi-Fi calling. Make sure your carrier account is provisioned. Call customer support only if the option is missing. Once done, connect to a reliable 4 GHz or 5 GHz network and test internet speed. Aim for at least 1 Mbps upload. Also grant microphone and location permissions and install any pending system or carrier updates, so calls can be routed correctly over Wi-Fi. Now you refine the network and phone for reliable voice quality. Reserve a DHCP lease or give your phone a static IP on the router to avoid address changes during calls. Enable quality of service and prioritize SIP/RTP or voice traffic to cut latency and jitter. If your provider requires ports, forward them or use UPnP. Disable or configure VPN so voice packets are not routed through slow tunnels. Once configured, make 1 or 2 short test calls and check audio clarity and latency. Finish by testing and addressing common failures so calls stay clear. Place a 2 5-minute test call and listen for echo, dropouts, or one-sided audio. Move closer to the router or switch bands if problems appear. If a call won't connect, restart the phone and router, toggle Wi-Fi calling off and on, and verify your carrier still has the feature enabled. If issues persist, disable VPN. Try a dedicated VoIP app to isolate the phone versus network, and contact carrier support with your diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.